finally packing for Greece. It's happening. I'm bringing you guys along. I'm so excited. I actually did start the process yesterday. Because of the heat wave that we've got in the UK, I thought it'd actually be the best time to do the packing, because if it's too hot to wear in this country, I am not going to want to take it on holiday. So I did that, but it honestly took me hours. So I didn't film it because would have been here until I go on holiday and I'd probably miss the flight. I kind of organised everything. I'll show you in just a second because this room looks like a proper hot mess, but it is like an organised mess. But I do have to go through all of my clothes, give them a steam. I'm going to take the steamer with me, but I'm kind of hoping that if I steam and then roll, I won't have to do that much steaming when I'm there, if that makes sense. Let me just turn you around. This is a really weird angle, so I'll just show you what we are working with and then we can start packing. Right, looks like a hot mess, but it's an organised hot mess, kind of. So all of these clothes here are going to be my day outfit. Actually, like, rolled them up together, so they're top and shorts all together. So when I put them in my packing cubes, which I'm really excited to use, first time I've ever used packing cubes, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we can just get it out on the other side and all of my outfits are there. And I thought that was everything until I finished doing all of like the laundry and stuff, and I have all of this here. So this section is going to be evening outfits, just the dresses and, you know, more going out attire, and then all of this is for day. Actually, I think these trousers will be evening, but everything else is for day. So I need to go through that, get them all together. I'm going to go ahead and steam everything. I've also got everything kind of, I want to say organised, it's really not organised, is it? But that's all the swimwear that I'm taking. And then all of my hair bits, which obviously I can't pack right now because I'm going to be using that for the next few days until we go. But I've organised, like, in here is all of my like hair accessories and stuff. This is my makeup. And I was actually going through it, and this is like the minimum. I took so much stuff out because I thought I'm not going to be using that much makeup when I'm on holiday. We've still got a full bag. I don't know what happened. This is what I got off of Temu, and I think it's actually amazing. Just kind of shove stuff in here to see if it like would fit. I do need to check my list to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. I'll probably put this in a bag just in case it explodes. I don't want it going everywhere, so I think I'll bag that up and then put it in here. But for now, that will do. I've got some cotton wool pads. I also need to put these bits in like the smaller bottles, even though they are going to be put in like the checked bag. So I could just take all of them. I mean, there's not really a lot left, and yeah, I just don't need the extra weight, so I am going to put these bits into like smaller little containers. I'm honestly so out of breath. It's so hot. I need to sort out the packing cubes situation because I don't know what's going to go in what. I think like day clothes, evening clothes, and then swimwear, I think. And this pile here was actually going to be my airport outfit. But I think I've already changed my mind because I was going to wear this like one piece unitard thing with a shirt over the top, and then if I got cold I could put the hoodie over the top. But going to the toilet in one of these is a bit of a situation, so I think I'm just going to take this as an extra day outfit, and then coming around here I can wear this set. Oh, let's just hook that. Oh, okay, that's not working out for me. This set with the shorts, with, like I said, the shirt and then the hoodie, because it's literally just a black two-piece, so it'll still have exactly the same look. I'll just be able to go to the toilet. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna just pack that with the rest of my day outfit. So the first thing I'm going to do is just set you up on a time lapse and quickly steam through these so we can get them packed, because I feel like as soon as we've got all the clothes sorted, everything else will kind of fall into place, I think. I literally just spent, I don't even know how long, steaming everything, and then decided to film a TikTok of like packing it all, or at least like starting to pack it. So now it's all creased again. I don't even know why, I don't know why I bothered, but I'm taking the steamer with me like I said. But now it is time to figure out the packing cube situation. It only came with 3, so I'm thinking evening, day, and then swimwear, maybe, depending on how much room I've got. They're actually quite roomy. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about what I'm actually packing. Let me just grab some stuff, because I am going to be filming when I'm there. I'm going to be like vlogging it. Let me just come back round so you can hear me. Yeah, I am going to be filming when I'm there. I'm also going to be doing like outfit of the day and things like that, so I'm not going to go into too much detail of what I'm packing. Is it going to fit? I don't know. It looks really small. I don't know. Let's just roll some of this up and see how it actually fits, because I don't think it's going to fit. That was very much a trust the process situation. I didn't think it was going to fit. I do have a couple more bits that I want to put in once they're like out of the wash, but I think there's room just to stick something in. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's pretty much the perfect size for how much I'm taking. I'm just now not sure if the medium size is going to be enough for my evening outfits, but I do want to show you a couple of things. I mean, I'm pretty sure I've already shown you on my channel if you've seen it, but how stunning is this dress? I honestly can't wait to wear this. It's just absolutely stunning. I got it off of Vinted, but it's originally from Zara, and yeah, it's just the perfect dress. This is the one for my recent collaboration. I'll leave that video link down below if you want to check it out if you haven't already. And then I got this one from Stradivarius, and I think, to be fair, this is my favourite dress of all time. It's so soft. I don't know if I'm going to wear this because it's very pink. And then I'm going to take some trousers just in case one of the nights is a bit cooler, and then I can wear it with just like a bandeau top. Okay, so yeah, that didn't fit in here. I don't really know what everyone's hype is about packing cubes, because honestly I feel like you can fit in less. I don't know, but this is the situation, so that's just gonna have to go like laid over the top once these are in. I'm pretty sure though that my swimwear will fit in this. If not, maybe shoes or something, I'm not sure. Fits quite well actually. I'm just gutted that they don't fit, but like I said, they'll just be able to go over the top. Okay, I've just packed everything in the big case, forgetting that I also have the carry-on case as well. So I'm gonna rejiggle it, take a couple of outfits out and just swap them over. Or should I just put those in there? No, I don't want those in there. I just need to jiggle it around a little bit and I'll be right back. So I feel like we're getting somewhere, but I also feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, it has been so long since I've packed and I'm honestly just a sweaty mess, so please ignore that. But let's do the toiletries. So this is the bag that I got from Temu. I'm actually really happy with it. So yeah, I'm gonna stick everything in here. Let me just take you off so you can see. So these are the bits that I'm gonna be taking. I'm gonna be taking a big shampoo. I've not actually ever used this one before, but the shampoo that I normally use is actually quite expensive, so I don't want to be using that every day. So I can use this sort of in between using that one, but because I've got such thick hair, I'm just going to take the whole thing. Same with the conditioner. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take the whole thing. Again, my hair is so thick, I'm probably going to go through all of it. So razors can just go in there. Hairspray when I curl my hair. I'm going to take this. There's only a little bit left. I'm going to be taking this to stop my hair from frizzing. I really like this, so that's coming with me. So these I'm going to have to do the whole sniff test with because I don't have labels. So I've got my makeup remover, but I only had a label that said eye makeup remover. This is my hair like heat defense spray. Some like feminine hygiene wash. This is like the cleansing butter balm to take the makeup off with. So I'll just put cleanser on. I don't think I can forget what that is, to be honest. But then I'm just going to take the whole bottle of that and then the whole bottle of that. So yeah, let's see how much of this I can actually fit in. That actually went better than expected. So I've got everything I need in here. Oh, maybe I'll put that sun cream in there. Okay, I'll come back to that, but everything else is fitting in here. I've got my cotton pads, I've got my hair bits, I've got all of those little bottles. Yeah, that is pretty much what I need. I've got my razors in the front bit. I just need to remember to put the actual razor itself in. And then this is a bag that I got from, is it Shein? You know, just one of those Ziploc bags, if I can open it with one hand. Because I thought if anything leaks, I want it to be, yeah, if anything leaks, I kind of want it to be in a bag. So I've got this, I've got some shaving foam, I've got my perfume, I've got my big shampoo and conditioner, deodorant, just all of the things in that one. And then I think I'm going to put my fake tan. Again, I really don't want this to leak, so I've put it in a bag. But I am going to tan before I go, so I've not done it up or put it away. But tan before I go, pop it back in one of these bags, and then put that in a separate Ziploc bag as well, because I really don't want to get fake tan over everything, especially all over my clothes. Oh my god, can you actually imagine? So I'm just going to be putting that in a bag, in a bag, in a bag. But yeah, I can't do that with one hand. But that, I think, is all of my toiletries and stuff. We've got to my favourite part, which is packing the jewellery. I love jewellery, so I picked this up off of Temu. Just a little travel case, and I've waited so long to be able to pack it. So let's get started. Okay, if I start with necklaces, I'm going to be taking this one. And these are actually ones that I got from Temu as well. Like, the quality is actually quite decent. I mean, for like 80p or whatever it was I paid. So I've got that one with a little gem. So I'm going to pack both of those. A couple of rings, just some little like fashion rings. I'll pack those. Earrings. Now, earrings I love, hence why I got 3 in each ear. So I'm going to be taking these ones that I got for my birthday. How cute are they? I absolutely love those. My little Ted Baker ones. I don't think that's actually focusing, is it? You see that? I don't know, but they're cute. And then these little like drop ones. Ignore my nails as well, I really need to get those done. But I think I'm gonna swap out my second and third piercing before I go, because they're still a little bit tender. So I'm not gonna be changing those ones when I'm out there. So I need to sort of think of what I'm gonna want permanently for the next 10 days, and then swap out like the little drop ones like as we go. Bracelets, I'm gonna take just this plain chain. I'm also gonna take this one, which is like that Van Cleef dupe. And is that it for bracelets? I don't really wear bracelets, so I take my bangle. Should I take my bangle? Why not? Let's take a bangle. Be obsessed with this. Look how nice that all looks. So I actually forgot about this necklace here because I was not long wearing it, so that's going as well. As you can tell, my love for gold is real. But yeah, I just think that's gonna look so pretty. I've decided against the bangle, mainly because it doesn't fit, also because the last time I wore it, it kept just flying off my wrist, so I don't want to risk that happening. But this is going to go straight in my hand luggage, because honestly, if I lost my favourite jewellery pieces, I think I might cry. Or I might take these actually for a bit more of a statement evening. When you've nearly finished and you think that it went a little bit too easily, that's how I'm feeling right now. So this is all the extra bits. I've put my toiletry and hair bits, the makeup, straighteners and everything can go in, like I said, on the day. So all the clothes are there, all these are there. I've put a few extra bits in, like the hand overhead luggage, and then yeah, these are the bags that I'm going to take. So just a bit more of a sort of an evening bag, and then a couple of day bags, a couple of hats. I love this hat. Oh, I'm going to feel so extra wearing that. And then a selection of shoes. I'm not taking any heels or anything because I never end up wearing them. So I've got my Zara ones that I've recently shown. So I think I might actually put the shoes in this bit if they fit. And then I've got a couple... I was actually about to say a couple from Primark. All of these are from Primark. I got these ones new from Vinted, but as you can see, originally from Primark. So yeah, these are the comfiest. They're not the prettiest, but they're the comfiest. So in case these don't end up being very comfy, I can fall back on these. But yeah, let's just... I mean, is this where you're meant to put shoes? I don't know. I don't really know what all these compartments are for, if I'm being completely honest. But yeah, let's just pop these in and see how much room I've got left. I think everything is now done. I had to get Rob to help me because this one was actually overweight, so I need to put in my pyjamas and my underwear in this one because nothing else will fit in here. But I think that's actually not too bad. The steamer fitted, all of like my toiletries and everything, makeup. I am going to be taking some of these bits out and then putting them back in like the day that we go, but I just needed to see how much it weighed. And yeah, it's starting to feel real now, isn't it? Yeah. Now we're packed. So yeah, all the clothes there, all the shoes here. Like I said, need to put pyjamas, underwear in this one. So yeah, we are basically ready to go. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's pack with me. The next video you're going to see, I'm going to be in Greece, and honestly, I can't wait. So I am going to be vlogging that one. By the time this one goes up, I should actually already be there vlogging a few days. I don't think I'm going to do like the whole trip, but I am definitely going to be doing a few days, maybe our first couple, so that'll be up the following week. But yeah, I can't wait to get there now. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next one. Bye guys.